Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. One of my favorite quick projects to do is to embellish a kitchen towel. They're so much fun. There's so many different towel options that you have out there, and almost every one of my towels I ever purchase for doing this is purchased at Walmart. So if you haven't looked at their towels, go in there and check it out. You'd be surprised what you can make. Now on this table are just a few of my favorite towels, but these are the best of the best. I also have video tutorials on every one of these towel projects. And then towards the end of this video, I'm even going to show you a few of my towel aprons that I've made. Okay, let's get started at looking at all the goodies. This type of decorative towel are what I call my super quick. I've only got a couple of minutes and I need to make some quick gifts. All I did was put a little bit of fabric on the bottom and some rickrack. I love rickrack. It helps to add a lot of personality. Now, that was small rickrack, but you can also use the really large rickrack. And by the way, my towels and my rickrack all came from Walmart. I shop there all the time for my towels. They have some great ones to purchase for all seasons of the year. Sometimes all I want to do is just put a simple little something at the bottom, and these are Prairie Points. And I've got a really easy way for making these Prairie Points. There's no sewing involved. It's learning how to press them correctly. And I have a really neat way of getting this into the seam at the bottom to where you cannot see the raw edges. I really love this particular towel. Here is another type of a way that you can do your bottom edge. And these were just circles that were stitched together and cut in half. And I also was able to hide them in the seam at the bottom. One of the other things I love to do on towels is doing a simple machine applique. All I did was cut this rooster out, put it on fusible webbing and pressed it on there, then did a little decorative satin stitch around the edge to hold it on there. Now I really love roosters, and here is an example of another one that I did, and I also have a toaster cover that matches this particular rooster. This is not difficult. None of these will take you very long to do. This one is so cute. It almost looks like a dress or an apron itself, but it is a hanging towel that you stitch this on. I've got Velcro up here, and then I put a little decorative button up here to cover up that area, and also just added a strip of fabric, but you could also put a piece of ribbon along the bottom. So I thought that this was really, really cute. I really love the colors in this. These are very, very colorful, and if you like a lot of color around your house like I do, this is perfect for you. This has also got Velcro that is there with buttons over the top here. I didn't add anything to the bottom of it because the towels are busy. It really didn't need anything else, but these will only take you a few minutes to make. This one here is pretty high on the list of my favorites. Number one, it's roosters. Okay, and I love roosters. This was a novelty towel that I had purchased from Walmart. I added this little top up here, and again it has Velcro. Rickrack was around the edges here, and this is a really simple process to make. And down here at the bottom I have checkerboard ribbon, a little bit of ready-made ruffles that you can buy, and then I added this fabric on, and I just really, really love this cute towel. Almost every year, Walmart comes out with seasonal towels around our 4th of July holiday, and these were so quick to make. All I did was add some fabric at the bottom and a little bit of rickrack. I don't think this took more than 10 minutes per towel. So these are really, really simple. So look for those seasonal towels. You can usually get them for under $2 a piece. I often give gifts where I've decorated a towel and made a pot holder to match. This just has some ribbon up here and a little bit of fabric. I had enough left over. I was just using scraps to where I could put some of it in the middle of this pot holder. And this pot holder is real easy. There's no binding on it for you to fuss with. And this little loop is also really, really easy to do. I occasionally will buy a seasonal towel from JOANN Fabrics and Crafts, and this was an Easter towel. And all I did was add a little bit of fabric at the bottom and some little pom-pom fringe on there. And I also purchased this pom-pom fringe from Walmart. I also did a little matching pot holder. This is machine applique on, and I used some of the decorative stitches from my sewing machine to add just a little more to it. And this is also a perfect gift to give around the Easter holiday. This is a great idea for maybe a housewarming gift or a wedding shower gift where you've made a decorative towel and you've put in some little wooden spoon or wooden fork or wooden spatula. This also is a hanging one with Velcro, and I love my little buttons. So this is a great gift idea. Have you ever considered making a towel apron? I know this has nothing to do with decorative towels, but they make great aprons. And again, I buy my towels at Walmart because they're so inexpensive. They not only have some really cheap towels there, I hate to use the word cheap, but they also have some high quality towels. And I usually will get those for towel aprons. This one is really quick, probably 10 minutes to make. I put large rickrack across the bottom, which I got at Walmart. I also used ribbon for the waist ties, and I also got this ribbon at Walmart. Here's another really easy towel one to do. This one has pockets. I did a little fabric border strip along the bottom, and then to put the waist ties in there, I first made a casing, so I folded the top edge over and stitched it down, then made a little waist tie that is inserted in through there, and you can gather it up if you need to. Let me see if I can, let me do it with this hand. I have a bad right hand, you know, sorry about that. But anyway, you can gather it up if you want, and then of course tie these around your waist. This was probably 20 minutes to make. Here's another towel I purchased from Walmart, and I used novelty fabric. It's got chili peppers all over it. And by the way, this chili pepper fabric, I think you can still get at JOANN Fabrics and Crafts. Just look in their novelty fabric section. But this has round pockets with rickrack, and they're set at a diagonal, so your hands can fit comfortably in there. This is a simple ruffle that was attached on. This is probably one that you could probably make it in a little under an hour. This not only is great for yourself, but it makes a great gift for someone who likes chili peppers and loves to cook. I also have video tutorials on all of these aprons you just saw. Plus, I have tutorials on children's aprons that are just absolutely adorable. So make sure you check below your YouTube screen for those video links. Go to your local Walmart and check out their towel section. They change seasonally, and they also have some great non-seasonal towels. And also think about making some of these for gifts. Get started now. Christmas is not that far away. Again, also look for those seasonal towels, especially for your spring and 4th of July area. They usually have some great ones to select from. Now make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. There's all kinds of goodies on there. Thank you so much for watching me, and I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Click on the bell so you can receive notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is Scotty, and this is Manny. See you next time, and happy sewing!